dried fish. Going to have the dried fish, dried fish, dried fish. Hi to our 74 viewers. Please comment down below. Where are you from? Where are you from, everyone? Please give me likes. Tap the screen. It's me and my son only. Me and my son. Wala kaming ulam. Hi to our 82 viewers. Please give me likes. Guys, why you're not commenting? Why there's no comment here? I'll put the lamp like this. I will sleep na lang, guys. Going to do a sleep stream. Let's see who going to stay and who is going to left. I don't know what to do eh. What are you doing right now? I cannot understand the other comment, guys. Please comment in English. Doing what you need to do. I need to cook rice. Yeah. I'm just going to need to cook rice lang naman. Cook rice and then cook a dried fish again. Oh, I need to chop the woods pala. But my back hurts pa eh. Maybe tomorrow I will chop the woods. Right now my back it hurts. Okay, I will put na lang aloe vera. I will put aloe vera to my face na lang muna while going to get them. Here, oh, I have aloe vera plant.